Think about, okay, how do people become aware that you exist? Are you doing Facebook ads, Google ads? Maybe you're doing social organic. Write that on a sticky note and put that in the upper left-hand corner of a whiteboard. Then say, okay, what's the end of this? Okay, I've got a customer. So we got the beginning, we got the end, we got the scope of how clients happen. Then all you really need to do is fill in the gap. Okay, so somebody clicks on an ad, then what? Well, then they go to a landing page. Okay, so I'm going to write landing page and that gets a sticky note. Then what happens? Well, it depends. If they opt in, they go here. If they don't, they go here. Okay. And you just map it all the way through. And what you wind up with is a visual process map of how customers, how clients happen. Then you do the same thing for great. What happens when I got them, right? Once I get somebody, then how do I fulfill on the promises I made during the sales process? Something really beautiful happens when you go through that step is you have a picture of how your business works, which most entrepreneurs don't. They have no idea how their business works. So that's stage one of beginning to build your set of algorithms of your company operating system, the source code.